Day 18, welcome back. Today it's all about outer balance to find inner balance. What does it mean? Well, we're going to practice some balance poses. I am Marion, your yoga teacher, spiritual healer and coach. So glad you're back. Join me for this beautiful balancing sequence. We're going to start on all fours with some mobilization. Cat and cow just for a short moment. I think cat and cow is one of my most used mobilization exercise. It's just so good. Okay, come into a neutral spine and lift the right leg. Just hold here. And drop. Lift the left leg, hold it. And release. Lift the right again. Now lift the right arm. Then just hold the balance. And release. Left leg, left arm. Hold and breathe. And release. From here, come up into down dog. Walk right, left. Lift the right leg. And step in between your hands with the right foot. Turn the left foot into 90 degrees and come up into warrior B, warrior 2. Feet are in one line. Sit low. Good. Stay here. Then straighten the front leg. Lean forward. And then drop into a Trikonasana. Lift. Turn the right foot into 90 degrees and then the left foot opens up. You come into warrior B here. Sink low. Then straighten the front leg. Lean forward and drop into triangle. Then drop the hand down, bend the left knee again, lift the right heel, step back into a down dog. Stay in down dog. Breathe. Take the left leg up and step in between your hands. Turn the right foot again, come up. Okay, now you want to lift the right leg and bring the left hand down into a half moon pose. You can look down or up. Just stay here, breathe. Stay for 3 more breaths. And then drop the foot down. Come back up, warrior. And then you turn the left foot and the right foot, warrior, to the other direction. And same here. You bring the right hand down, lift the left leg up, half moon. The left shoulder wants to be above the right shoulder, the left hip joint above the right hip joint. And breathe. Find your focus. Just 3 more breaths. Then bring the hand down, bring the foot down, come into forward fold. Bend the knees, roll up. Good. Arms up, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into plank. Come down. Cobra. And down dog. From down dog, drop your knees. And now again, lift the right leg like we did in the beginning. Lift the right arm. And then you reach back to your foot. You hold the balance and you push the foot into your hand. Release. Left leg goes up, left arm, and when you're ready, you grab the foot and you push the foot into your hand. Focus. Release. Sit back into child pose. Breathe. Come up into down dog. Right leg goes up. Step to the front and turn the left foot at 45 degrees. Lift up. Arms up. Lean forward. Arms go to the side. Airplane lunge or airplane warrior. Stay in the front. Now lift the back foot off the mat into a balanced pose. Warrior C. Hold here. If you want, you can interlace the hands behind your back and pull the shoulders away from you. Release. Hands down, step back into down dog. Walk a bit, right, left. Left leg goes up. Step forward. Right foot comes down. Come up. Airplane warrior. Inhale. Exhale. Stay, lift the back foot. Lift it up. If you want, interlace your hands, pull the shoulders away. Stay and breathe. Place the hands down, step with the foot next to the other. Forward fold, hold. Grab your calves and pull yourself closer to the thighs. And then slowly roll up. Stand, breathe. Place the hands in front of your heart. Close your eyes, breathe. Okay, let's continue. Bring the right foot to your right hand. Just stay here. Stay. Find your balance. And if you want, you can move a bit more to the front and push the foot in your hand. Hold and breathe. Release. Shake. Bring the left foot up. Find your focus. Lift the right arm and then lean forward. And push the foot into your hand. And then release. Shake your legs. And breathe. Lift your arms. Come down, forward fold. Halfway lift. Step back into plank. And from plank, drop your knees. Now, lift again the right leg and the right arm. And now you bring the knee and the elbow together. And then you kick to the front and the arm goes back. And you circle back into balance, okay? Knee and elbow, stretch, circle. Together and open. Up. Drop and change. Left. Knee and elbow together. Stretch. Circle. Last one. Hands down, sit back, and almost done. Woohoo! Or no, not yet. Okay, sit upright, lift, and stretch. Grab your toes, your heels, or your calf. Stay here, breathe. And then release, interlace your fingers, roll down. Keep the feet on the mat. Hold, hold, hold. And then stretch above your head. Long arms, long legs, just stretch very long. And then stretch the right side a bit longer, so you bring feet and arms towards each other like a crescent moon. Hold Bananasana. And then come to the other side. Come back to center. Place the hands next to your body. Close your eyes. Shavasana. Just relax and breathe. Let me know below in the comments how your balances went today. I felt a bit shaky today. It always depends on our daily condition. Some days it's easier than others. But the more we work on our inner balance, the easier the outer balances will become. So let me know below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done yet. You can stay in Shavasana or continue with your day. Thank you for joining and all the best. See you tomorrow. Namaste.